Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video it's time for a new Famicom NES clone. It's the Neo Fami. I picked this thing up from Magic Buttons and we're going to have some fun today in this video. Consider subscribing because I have a lot of these awesome devices. So if you're interested in clone systems, weird, obscure handhelds and other stuff, you're at the right place. Alright, so let's do an unboxing. And what are we going to get with this device? Because I'm very curious now. And how is the image quality? The game tech Neo Fami is a little mean machine if it comes to Famicom games. When you're having an old Nintendo console laying around, it's highly possible it's broken nowadays. And of course don't forget that you can always fix it. Besides that collectible value, the Neo Fami is a very cool little mean machine what we're going to test out in this video. It comes with a lot of cool peripherals like the controls, and you can use your original light guns. The controls, we're going to test them out because I'm very curious how they are going to play, because always with these Famicom clones is always the question, are these things decent enough to have a very good experience? It's released in 2005 or around that area, so it's not old like an original Nintendo system. So when it comes to Famicom clones, and for the people who are familiar to my channel will know I did a lot of reviews about these handhelds and other stuff that is basically Famicom, because we have a lot of Famicom clone handhelds and clone systems. But today we're going to do this unboxing together because I think it's just fun to show you what are we going to get. The first thing I did notice with this device, it weighs quite heavy. And that is surprising. The question is, why is it so freaking heavy? Is it because of the system? No, it's almost lightweighted. Okay, so this is the Fami with two-tone colors. Looks pretty cool. Silver with and purple backplate. This version comes with controllers, the game tech controllers. We're having here the D-pad. I really like it. It looks really good. It sounds a little bit cheap, but I can tell you it feels very nice. Very EB, and these are the turbo buttons, and we're having a slow button. Ooh, that we're going to try out, and then little LED. Let's see if the second controller looks similar. Yep, exactly the same controller. So as you can see, I think you can see it here on the video. Oh, I think my little power supply suffered some damage. That is not a big problem because this is a 9 volts. So I'm going to grab my universal power supply. And this is, by the way, a 100. Yeah, this is a 100 volts, so I couldn't even use it if I ever want to. So let's take a close look at the system itself. So we're having here the power reset. We can use only Famicom cartridges. So for the PAL users here in Europe, you will not have the option to use this. We're having two analogs out, one for the sound and another for the image. Here is the input for the power supply. There's some information on the back, and it's yes, made in China, 2005. Alright, so two controllers that we can use. We're going to use the game tech controllers. Very curious how this is going to play. So let's grab ourselves a monitor and let's go. Right, so the first downside I did find is that there's quite some interference. So I'm going to lower the volume and let's play some games. Let's try slow. Let me guess, it's just past the game. Okay, no, you don't want to use this. The controls, but it's very nice. I love this D-pad. Oh, where the hell did he came from? Alright, let's play a little bit of Contra. So the first thing I did notice with this thing, that the image quality looks very well. I like this. Controls play nice. I like this Neo Fami clone. No, want the rocket. Yes. So far so good. Oh no. Alright, so let's play a classic game. Ow. There's not a cheap way to doing this. Oh crap, he's coming. Let's go down. Come on, need a bit more. Yeah. Okay, so let's try the slow mode. This is unplayable. Alright. Oh, this is a really classic one. Stop freaking flying, Raiden. Come on. Got. I am getting my ass whooped, man. Ha. Ow. Ugh. Oh yeah. Getting the hang of it, getting the hang of it. But I find that these controls are just amazing. I seriously I would prefer these over the original ones. Stop freaking flying. Come on. Oh, in the face. Ooh, on the knee. Got him. Alright, so with the Wicked video, we need a little bit of an adventure with Adventure Island. Ta-ta-da, chop-ta-da, chop-ta-da, ta-da-da-da. Ooh, turbo mode. Yeah. Ooh, going crazy. Woohoo! Get the skateboard. Let's go, let's go. Woo. I love the turbo buttons. Let's make it a speed run, people. Let's make it a speed run. Let's see how far I can come. Oh, not really far. Ow. I'm messing him up big time. Alright, so this is the Neo Fami that I basically borrowed from Magic Buttons. But I must say I am very pleased with this one. It looks very nice. As you can see, the controllers are very ergonomic. They feel very comfortable even with my big hands. And the D-pad, it sounds and looks wiggly, but it plays fantastic. The slow button with the LED, it's just basically, it's useless in my opinion. But pretty damn awesome with AB, and we're having the famous turbo button, and these are very convenient with some games. I use them, for example, a lot with Batman. The image quality is not bad. There are no built-in games. There's a little bit of an interference. That's always a little bit of a shame, but when you're playing game, I didn't hear it at all. So that's what we're going to get with the Neo Fami. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family, because we have a lot of wicked stuff coming up. See you in the next video.